So guys, welcome. I'm Jenny. Make sure you subscribe to YouTube channel Claudia Wall.
Nilikupenda toka tene baby subra wakati kuona ganene za tene tena mazikelele kama kameme bugi yako akina kamene ikakuchocha ufuate pochinene ukanitoka na kupanda kilele na kunitoka ya kangi chomzo tunachomoka tena stali ukikatishwa mizinga jina dali piga tutia kiboko pata makao na kujichekea. Sasa unanitaka mili chikatanga ukatekwa na mjaka kudhani mchanga kaanza kuchana kakutoka mchana.
That's a good one.
Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Claudia Walks. For those who are new here, welcome, and make sure to hit that subscribe button. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support this beautiful girl. I don't take you for granted. Thank you so much. Make sure you share the video with your friends. Tell a friend to subscribe. Let's support this girl to 5,000 subscribers. Hey guys, why do you think Claudia Walks is referred to as Eastleigh girl? Let me know in the comment section. So guys, you know I love Eastleigh. Eastleigh is one of my favorite places I normally visit. I like doing vlogs there. And the reason why I normally visit Eastleigh is that most of the people from Eastleigh are so loving, so supportive. Interacting with them, it's quite easy. Yeah, if you have been watching me on my previous videos, Eastleigh guys are very social. I love Somali people. Not only Somali people, you know, Eastleigh consists of people from all over the country, from all the tribes, and I love them guys. So Eastleigh people are so loving. Just know that the support I get from them is massive, and most of my followers are from Somaliland, that is Eastleigh. And if you are watching my video from Eastleigh, let me know there. We interact in the next video. So guys, leaving Eastleigh is quite emotional. You know, I've been attached to these guys. Wow, I love it. As you leave Eastleigh, there is this roundabout located between Madina Mall and the Yare Mall. We have crazy traffic jam here, and a short distance from this roundabout, we encounter some bumps, and that's the point where it hits that I'm leaving. So guys, sit down, relax, and enjoy the road trip. We are headed to Jogo Road.
So whoever doesn't know Jogo Road, it's a famous highway connecting Nairobi Central Business District and Embakasi.
hope you have enjoyed the video. I hope you have enjoyed the road trip from Eastleigh up to, let me know down below. And if you have watched my videos and you have not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Take a minute, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's free, guys. And we have good news, guys. I've started receiving invites from America, UK, Jamaica, and it's because of you guys. I love you so much. I don't take you for granted. Support this beautiful girl. By the end of the year, we want to be at 100K subscribers. With your support, I know Team Claudia works. We will make it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.